we're at Route 66. We're leaving the town of Gallup, New Mexico. On our right is the old abandoned ghost town of Allison. Right here is this Red Roof Inn. And at this point, Route 66 went straight across here, the highway. And on the other side, that was the Twin Buttes Trading Post, old 1926 road, just north of the Red Roof Inn there. Established in the 1930s, a genuine Navajo trading post with 6 tourist cabins. Anyway, the post was moved to the new road in the 1940s after Route 66 was relined here in 1937. Anyway, we're going to continue this way until we get to the town of Defiance, and then finally the New Mexico-Arizona border. So right here, just outside of Gallup, a place called Metmore, that's what we call it today. It used to be called the village of Twin Buttes. In 1946, we had the Twin Buttes Nazarene Navajo Mission, nearby gas station. That's all there is. So up ahead, we're going to pass a place called Kachina Rentals and a cemetery on Highway 18 right here, which is Route 66. So on the left, here's our cemetery right here. And on the right, there's a car on a pole right up there at that tree. Anyway, not sure why it's here. Just a little Route 66 decoration. Up ahead, this is the Twin Buttes Church of the Nazarene, right there on the right side of the highway. We'll continue on Highway 118 here. If you look way to the left across I-40, you'll see the beautiful Butte Mountain-like hillsides out there. We used to have 2 summits here, considered volcanic neck. It's from the Navajo volcanic field. And here's what the twin cones looked like in 1925. And over there, that's kind of what they look like today. So during construction of I-40, the hill was mined for aggregate. Anyway, they kind of ripped apart that Twin Buttes, twin cones up there. Up here on the right, on the north, used to be some coal mines out there. The main coal mine, opened in 1913, was called the Dilko Coal Mine. It is owned by Direct Coal Company. When the post office opened, it was reassigned the name of Metmore. That's how it got the name. We don't know why. Here's the old fire station we have today. In 1918, another mine opened up there in the north called the Morris Mine. It later became known as the Defiance Coal Company. That's the site of a lot of Western cowboy type movies like Desert Song, starring Dennis Morgan and Jack LaRue. So up ahead, we're going to enter the town of Defiance. And our little frontage road here changes into Defiance Draw Road, about 9 miles west of Gallup. So turn left at 118, and that's what we're on right here, entering the town of Defiance. Anyway, see all this stuff here? Not much going on. Now this road here is New Mexico 118, called Rocky Point Road. This is our Route 66. We're on the south frontage road of Interstate 40. And up here on the other side, up there, was one of our original trading posts, but it's kind of off of Route 66. Opened by D.M. Smith in the 1890s. Lasted till about 1918, and then the land was sold to a coal mine. So we continue down, you hit the little port of entry here on Route 66. And Defiance here is an elevation of 6,450, population of 0. That's this wonderful town here, a little bridge here. We're going to stop and take a little look here. Now this bridge is over saltwater marsh, built in 1949, 3-span steel stringer right here. That's Interstate 40. In about 1 more mile, we'll find a Rocky Point Mercantile. Right there, see? That's our beautiful saltwater marsh. Now right up here on the right, it's all buried under Interstate 40. That was the site of the Rocky Point Mercantile. It had a grocery store and gas. When the 4-lane road came through, it went right through his property. Then Interstate 40 just obliterated the rest. Continue westward around Rocky Point, called right here. Way on the west side of Defiance, we got the bridge over the Rio Puerco here. Used to be a pre-1930s bridge built, then a 1930s bridge right here at Puerco River at Big Rock Canyon. Anyway, that 1930s bridge was the first bridge for our new 2-lane road. It was a Pratt through truss bridge, and it used in the movie 1951 Ace in the Hole, starring Kirk Douglas and Jan Sterling, and it was replaced by this current bridge in 1960s. There's our beautiful Rio Puerco River right down there. Anyway, continuous steel girder allows larger vehicles to pass. And right up here, there used to be a historic marker for Coronado's route, but that was obliterated when the freeway came through. And that's kind of the story of Defiance out here on Route 66 in New Mexico. We're headed to the border of Manuelito, New Mexico. Thanks for watching. Bye.